Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a safe workspace. Park the 2012 Kia Soul on a level surface, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal if you will probe wiring or test the new lamp. Wear gloves and safety glasses and let the taillight cool for 5 minutes to avoid burns. Gather tools: a 10mm socket and ratchet, a flat screwdriver for trim clips, and a replacement 7443 dual filament brake/turn bulb rated for 12 volts. Keep a clean cloth to protect paint. Open the liftgate and locate the interior access panel behind the tail lamp. Remove any trim fasteners to reach the two 10mm nuts that secure the lamp assembly. Use the 10mm socket to remove the nuts and keep them in a small container. Support the lamp with one hand, then pull the assembly straight back about 1 to 2 inches to disengage the body clips. Do not pry aggressively. Reach behind, press the wiring harness tab, and disconnect the connector by pulling straight out to free the lamp. Locate the brake bulb socket at the rear of the tail lamp. Press in slightly and turn the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it, then pull the 7443 bulb straight out. Handle the new 7443 dual filament bulb with gloves or a clean cloth and insert it fully into the socket until it seats. Reinsert the socket into the lamp and turn clockwise to lock. Reconnect the wiring harness. Position the lamp on the body. Reinstall the two 10mm nuts and hand tighten. Finish by torquing to 6 to 8 Nm and test the brake light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.